subscribe with notifications on.
To people, jealousy to your own African brothers. Guys, now I'm not a foreigner. I'm a South African. I was born here. Listen to me very carefully. I was born. And now I'm not a foreigner. Yeah, this is my country. I'm taking you like a one. Now, our thought for it. Our thought for you must love your brother and sister in order for God to bless you. If you do that, God is going to look at you and say, my child, you've got a good heart. With your good heart, I'm going to bless you. The moment you start hating other people is the moment you are bringing the devil within your lives. That's why most of you, let's call that because of your heart. Hey, listen to me. Pelu ke moloi, ana motho lawyer mo pelu ke moloi. Pelu ke moloi. Pelu ya hao e etsa hore o wetseng o se successful bophelong ba hao, o sokola bophelong ba hao because of o jealous for batho ba bang. A o nyako bona bophelo ba hao ba batho ba bang ba tswela pele because o jealous. Oh man, guys, stop on this thing alone, man. Ilahle man, how? Do I get along with my brother? Do I get along with my sister? I'm talking to you, my brother. You. Yes, you. You who hate your own brother. You who hate your own sister at home. You are not even getting along with your own sister at home. You're not getting along with your own brother at home. You're not getting along with your own cousin at home. You're not getting along with your own nieces at home. What is the problem? You have a problem. If they cannot get along with you, you must know you have a problem. So if you cannot love them or you cannot be loved by them, how do you expect you to love me? Oh, come on, what you look fit? What Braga? Braga, what loud? You what Braga, what's again, what loud, Braga? Born. Something. Braga, that was unto right? Le rato le simul like a wena. Wait harder first before you can love other people. That's why you see many people in South Africa, they hate one another. They're killing one another. There's so many things in South Africa. People are so jealous of each other. People have got this tendency of abusing each other and all those killing each other. You are killing your own South African brothers. What's wrong with you? Why do you go out and kill your own South African brothers and sisters? Eh? Why? Jealousy. Even now, you come into my channel, you are saying, oh, Mr. K, this guy is not a foreigner, he's a foreigner, this guy is not a South African, what? Listen to me. I'm doing what I'm doing. It's my hustle that I'm doing. Why can't you do the same? No one is stopping you. Don't you know what YouTube is all about? Being creative, creating a content that will connect with the public. That's why people are coming to my channel now because of they are seeing content, relevant content that they need. Soon I'll be traveling. Soon I'll be going to Germany. I'll be going to Brazil. I'll be going to Italy. I'll be going to different countries. I'll be making content on cruise ships, on hotels, and all those type of things. These are content that people need. Yeah? Stop on by jealous, man. Be jealous for what man. Hi man, hey man, what's again? Linkutsa le bollo, we got sweater man. What's got sweater man? Are wrong, guys. Don't do that to yourselves. Let us sokola because of the pilu alone. Pilu ya how mo? I want to pilu it. It has to sokola braga. It has to what's your pilu how be classy. Because below, fix your heart. Fix your heart towards other people. Fix your heart towards these other people. Stop the thing over the foreigners. What? Let me tell you something. And I was right when I was saying this. These foreigners are contributing a lot to the economy in South Africa. A lot. A lot. Most of companies now, who did they employ? They employ foreigners, right? Foreigners are working. Because by Luna, as South Africans, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, they go back to the party. These guys, they are serious about their lives. Why can't you start being serious about your life? Why can't you start doing something for yourself? Yeah? try my best to try hore ke ile bophelo ba ka bo sharp, everything will be right. You're hating one another. You do all those type of things. Hey, these foreigners are taking our jobs. Hey, these foreigners are taking our women and so forth. What made you to be irresponsible? What made you to be responsible? A woman needs a man that is more responsible. Are you getting my point? A woman cannot be with a man that is irresponsible. These guys are responsible. They wake up in the morning, they put food on the table. You understand? When you can't do that. When you are sitting out there, you want to go doing breakage, la tuba, la senior, the crime, all these type of things. La tuba, la good barring, la tapelwa, yeah? What is this? We're not saying don't drink, but drink responsibly. Mara, how can I know? South Africa no. South Africa is the most corrupt country in the world. South Africa has got the most percentage over many countries in the world. There is more alcoholic. South Africans, Mona, man. Hi, guys, let me stop it. We'll talk again. Guys, Nagina go clarify for that fact. Nah, whatever I'm doing is for my own good. Agina go judge you and gaso judge you. Oh, the Braga. And gaso judge you in a Braga. On first time, Brafame. On first time again. On first time again. And gaso judge you. Oh, the Braga. I'm sorry for those who I cannot speak Khoza, guys. I cannot speak Nyakuluma Gangani Zulu, Gangani, but you know what? Now you were Swana, brother. You were Swana, get fire. A can African spot. And I say, there and there, but I'm not perfect. But what I'm saying, guys, stop hating one another. Alright, guys? Thank you very much.